Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today, and today we are going to be visiting Rush Hour Karting in Garner, North Carolina. It is an indoor go-karting experience that we are going to be visiting for the first time. We're going to have some on-ride go-kart POVs and much more to explore with you guys, so if you'd like to join us, let's go. Today we are visiting Rush Hour Karting in Garner, North Carolina. Rush Hour Karting is an indoor karting experience that offers karts that approach 40 miles per hour. Today we will be checking out the track and seeing what the facility has to offer, so let's get checked in. Alright guys, so we have made it in. We're going to take a look at everything here in just a couple minutes, but I think we're going to try to catch the next race, which is in about 5 minutes. So we'll look at everything here in just a moment. So right over here, as you first come in, they do have the waiver, and this is where you'll do the waiver for yourself and any minors if you have those in your party. Alright, and here is a copy of the prices here. You can also buy memberships here and I guess race all you want, but you can also do just per race, but yeah, not too bad.
So along with the regular price sheet, they do have group events, so they have special pricing for businesses or large groups that want to come do karts, axe throwing, any of the things here. And here is a matinee rate for 12 bucks.
Alright, so since this is our first race, we do have to come into the briefing room first, and we're going to go over the rules. Alright, so we are about to race. Luckily they do have some lockers, so we're going to store our stuff in there and get ready to race. We'll see you guys out there. Alright guys, so here are the race results. They do print these off for you if you go up to the front desk and ask. But we had, it looks like 6 people in our party, and they even give you your lap time records. So as you can see, I think Seth and I got faster and faster every time, and it shows you, I think, your best time and your average time. This is pretty cool. Alright guys, so now let's check out the tavern. Just by the looks of it, looks like a pretty cool local hangout. But they have like some pool tables, a TV over there, and over here. And of course they have a bar. Seth's over there, I think, just getting some water right now, but let's go check out the menu. Alright, so here's a quick look at the menu. So pretty big menu, bigger than I thought it would be. They have starters with some wings and things like that, specialty items, sandwiches, hot dogs, burgers. They also have lunch specials, chicken signature items, and daily specials. Let's check out the drink menu. Alright, so here's the drink menu. It looks like they have just some beers, seltzers, and wine. They have a very generous selection. And also right here next to the track, they have axe throwing. I've never done axe throwing before. If we have time, we'll try to do this, but it does look fun.
Also here, they do have giant inclining rock wall. It's $10 for a 10-minute session per person. Here's what it looks like. It's even got the timer right up top.
And they also have a nice little viewing area. We just walked right up the steps here. And they have another pool table, ping pong table, and some games and things for you to play. This is a really cool hangout. But the coolest thing, in my opinion, is you get to overlook the track. Let's take a look.
Alright, so Courtney is actually going to go race one more time. This time she's going to strap on her cell phone and get some shots with that, but we're also going to try and add another camera. But I'm going to stand back over here and watch her race. Hopefully she'll win. Alright, she just got outfitted there, and the gentleman there is going with her. He's going to help get her helmet cam attached. That is a feature here, so for $10, you can use one of their cameras. It's not a GoPro. I'm not exactly sure what brand it is, but you can use one of their cameras. They will attach it on for you, and then they give you a download code for you to get that. But there she goes. There she is. She's waving at us, so they're about to go here in a second. So I'm gonna run down here and try to get a couple shots of her as she goes by. And we'll try to see what place she is in right now, because I'm not really sure. Live, you can actually see what their lap times are and what position they're in. So Courtney's in 7th.
The other guy.
So I seen you spin out a couple times, but how was it? Okay, you gotta flip your visor up. Like I mentioned before, if you do pay $10 for the helmet cam, they'll give you a little ticket here with a QR code and you'll be able to download your footage.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. We specifically did this for a reason, but we went to Rush Hour Karting yesterday. We had seen a review before we went that a guy said he really enjoyed himself, but he was like super sore the next day. So we wanted to see if that was true for us, and we are. We're very sore, like my back and arms and things are sore. You said one of your legs is kind of sore.
Yeah, some of my back muscles and my legs sore. But it's like, my back too. I guess like we use muscles that we don't normally use. Because it is intense. So now we're going to tell you a little bit about our experience. It was really fun. I personally have never been on go-karts that intense. They really went, and it felt super intense as far as like using the muscles even after. Like I was kind of shaky because you really have to concentrate. I can see now why they make you wear like the helmet and the neck padding, because it is more intense than like say your typical go-kart experience like at a tourist attraction like in Pigeon Forge or something. Yeah, that's like the last time I've been on one. That was like 10 years ago. So this was awesome. I really want to try the other location, but yeah, they go super fast and
it's intense.
And like having to use my arms, like by the end of the 8 minutes, which is about how long a race is, my arms were tired. So like,
and I went twice, and I could definitely feel it.
Yeah, but it was a blast. Yeah,
but we had a great time. Also, we kind of sat and watched for a minute some of the people doing the axe throwing. And that looked super fun as well. But we had about a 2.5 hour drive home, so we waited a minute and decided not to do that. But it looked just like any other axe throwing experience, as well as the rock climbing wall. I really liked the viewing area up top. They had some games, tables, I guess where you could take your food and your drinks up there. And we stood up there for a while and just watched the people race.
Yeah, it's a cool like hangout place, because like
you can order food and stuff.
The restaurant and the bar there is like about has anything you could think of for that type of restaurant. So
it seemed like a really nice local hangout, like for maybe some of the surrounding towns, and maybe there's some colleges nearby, so we could kind of tell that was a big crowd of locals. We've seen people's name up on the scoreboard, and they were returning, and they had like champion logos, and that part was cool too, getting to know your lap times, your average. For me, I went a second time, and I did not completely forgot to get the printout for my second race, but that's the cool part, where if we did go back, you would get to see all of your like averages and things from all your times past.
That's really cool. It's like a fun way to like keep track of
your scores and your lap times and things, so you can always hopefully progressively get better. But any last thoughts on it?
pretty much said it all.
Yeah.
It is really fun. Just to wrap it up, it's really fun. We had a blast. We will definitely be back. And take your comfortable shoes, comfortable wear when you go, because you will be sweating and have a workout by the time that it is over. But we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like this video, comment, let us know if you have or plan on visiting Rush Hour Karting, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye.